Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura WE8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a little bit of work starting by replacing the grinder. This whole thing that you see right here had to be replaced, and we got a newer one inside the machine, perfectly fine now, and we also gave this machine a nice tune-up. We also had to replace the flow meter as the machine was having some issues getting the machine to refill back itself. This flow meter is from 2017 and it was just not working and detecting the water passing through the machine. We had to replace that one, and that's what we did. So, starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out, and we're gonna be doing some hot water and then some steam. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Excellent color for the coffee. And perfect quantity, 2 ounces. Hot water for this machine, as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the one, looking great. Now we're gonna do a cappuccino, so that way we test everything from this side. As you can see, machine steaming right away, excellent pressure coming out of the one, really great temperature, working perfectly. Nice steady stream, again it depends from the cappuccino spout. The color, working perfectly. So there you have it, Jura WE8 working once again and grinding coffee. Thank you so much for replaying Mechanic Coffee, and subscribe to the channel.